Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create awesome YouTube thumbnails like this, and this for free, all using Canva. And since this is a Make Money Online channel, keep watching till the end of the video to find out how you can make a lot of money doing this, even as a teenager or a student. If you want more videos on how to make money online through tech tutorials, then I would appreciate it so much if you subscribe. Now, if you don't have an account already, sign up on canva.com. It's super free. But there's a link down below where you can sign up for a free Canva Pro account at no cost. This means that for 30 days, you can use all the pro features and save them on your computer for free. And in case you've been living under a rock and have never heard of Canva before, Canva is this super duper cool web-based software where you have literally thousands of ready-made templates to choose from. You don't need design skills, you don't need to be a graphic designer, you don't need to pay anyone. You can do this in under 5 minutes, I swear. And of course, make money from it. I mean, if you're doing it for yourself, why not help others and make money at the same time, right? Okay, so once you sign up, your dashboard is going to look like this. For transparency, I am using the Canva Pro version, which means that I pay around $9.95 monthly. And if you sign up using the link below, you can check out all the super cool pro features, and once your 30-day trial is up, you will get downgraded to the free version. But you can do so much even with a free account. I use the pro features a lot, so for me, it's so worth it. I've been able to make money with the convenience of everything that it includes. Okay, so once you're here, just click on Create a Design and type in YouTube thumbnail or 1280 by 720 pixels. To the left, you will see all the ready-made templates, so you can choose any of these depending on your niche. There's just so much to choose from. But I want to take it just one step further, and I want to advise you to design your thumbnail while keeping your brand in mind. Because let's say that you want your brand colors to be black, red, and white. Then it would be advisable to do this for all your YouTube videos. This way, people will automatically know that it's your brand behind a specific thumbnail once it pops up on their feed. So for this tutorial, I want my brand colors to be blue and white. Then we choose a template. Let's choose this one, for example. And now let's change the colors. Let's look for a photo of a shocked woman in order to encourage clicks. You know how it is. Go to photos on the left and type shocked woman. And let's pick this one. Now let's just adjust that a bit. Now we can edit the text. Let's type shocking YouTube truths. You can also add some elements just to make your thumbnail pop. Again, click on elements on the left, type emoji, and choose the one you want. So let's pick this shocked emoji. And there you have it. Instant YouTube thumbnail. Now, of course, you have to save this and you have to save the file name. So you click here to change the file name. It's best if you name it exactly like the YouTube video you're planning to upload. So let's say shocking YouTube truths. Then click here to download it and choose JPEG if you want your file size to be smaller. So say that I want to make a fresh template. I'm not happy with this one. Then just go back, Delete all the elements. And again, keeping in mind your brand colors, make the background blue. Add some text. I want my text to be white. My go-to font is probably League Spartan. It's a font that you can spot a mile away, even if your thumbnail is small. Let's make it big. Now let's add a photo. Now, if you sign up for a free Canva Pro account, you can remove the background of your chosen photo to make it look cooler. Click on Effects, click on Remove Background, and there you have it. You can also clean it up by using the Erase tool, just like this. Then click on Done. And there's your thumbnail. Save the file name again. Save as JPEG, and you're done. Now, since this is a Make Money Online channel, I want to show you how you can actually profit from this. So just hop on to Fiverr.com and search for YouTube thumbnails. Now you will see a whole bunch of vendors who actually do this as a full-time job or a side hustle. And if you want to create instant thumbnails like this with just a few clicks, then I recommend that you check out Thumbnail Blaster. The link is also in the description. Take a look at this guy. He makes custom YouTube thumbnails, and based on the number of reviews, it seems to be that he's making a killing doing this. So he charges $5 for 2 thumbnails, which isn't bad at all, because usually when people order, they'll probably order more than just 2. So let's say that you charge $10 for 5 thumbnails, and 7 people ask you in a day. That's already $70 or $60, give or take Fiverr's fee. So there you have it. Let me know in the comments below if you found this video useful. Like the video, share, subscribe, and click on the bell notification.